artistic souls, I am Shireen and you're watching my channel Soulfulshireen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw an eye, but before that I would like you all to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fashion and drawing videos. So let's begin now. To start off, I make the outline or the shape of the eye, which is like a lemon. The small part here is the tear duct, which I kind of like shade, and also I draw the waterline as well. Make the cornea slightly U-shaped and make a reflection on the top. Add a dark pupil and radiating lines around it. Just add some contrast through detailing. Now I'm making the eyelid. And forming the contour around the eye. Add light and dark shading to make it look realistic. Make the lower lashes sparse and light, in contrast to the upper ones, which will be more dense, darker, and curved. For brows, create shape, add texture, and make it dense or bushy as you wish. I like dense a lot, so I am making them dense and darker. Adding some detailing now. In the end, simply smudge the upper lid and add some shadows on the lower lid, and it's almost done. Thank you for watching.